The Shadow of the Wind, Carlos Ruiz Zafo, Book Summary. Watch till the end to discover. The Shadow of the Wind by Carlos Ruiz Zafo is an enthralling novel that combines mystery, romance, and historical intrigue set against the backdrop of post-war Barcelona. At its heart is Daniel Sempier, a young boy who discovers a forgotten book by an obscure author, Julian Carax, in the Cemetery of Forgotten Books. This discovery sets off a chain of events that will forever alter Daniel's life. The core premise revolves around Daniel's quest to uncover the truth about Carax, whose books are systematically being destroyed by a mysterious figure. As Daniel delves deeper, he uncovers a web of secrets and revelations that intertwine with his own life. The narrative explores themes of love, loss, obsession, and the power of literature to transform lives. One transformative insight from the novel is the idea that books are living entities, capable of shaping destinies and reflecting the deepest parts of the human soul. Zafo illustrates how literature can become a refuge, offering solace and wisdom during tumultuous times. Daniel's fascination with Carax's work symbolizes the profound connection readers share with the stories they immerse themselves in. Another significant theme is the impact of the past on the present. The hidden histories and secrets of Carax's life influence Daniel's journey, revealing how unresolved issues and buried truths can cast long shadows over one's future. Zafo artfully portrays the struggle between letting go and holding on, underscoring the complexity of human emotions and relationships. The novel also delves into the nature of identity and transformation. Daniel's evolution from a curious boy to a perceptive young man mirrors the transformation of the city of Barcelona itself, emerging from the shadows of war and conflict. Through Daniel's growth, Zafo conveys the idea that understanding one's identity is a journey filled with trials and revelations. One of the most memorable moments in The Shadow of the Wind is Daniel's exploration of the Cemetery of Forgotten Books, a labyrinthine sanctuary for abandoned literature. This magical place symbolizes the eternal presence and influence of stories, serving as a poignant reminder of the timeless bond between readers and writers. Carlos Ruiz Zafo, born in Spain, was an acclaimed author known for his ability to blend Gothic elements with deep, emotional narratives. Before writing novels, Zafo worked as a screenwriter, which influenced his vivid storytelling and cinematic flair. His works reflect his passion for literature and his fascination with the mysteries of human existence. The Shadow of the Wind continues to resonate today due to its exploration of universal themes and its homage to the power of storytelling. In an age where stories can be both lost and rediscovered, Zafo's narrative underscores the enduring impact of literature on culture and individual lives, inspiring readers to cherish and protect the stories that shape them. An actionable takeaway from The Shadow of the Wind is the encouragement to seek out forgotten and overlooked stories, allowing them to enrich and transform your perspective. Zafo's novel inspires readers to appreciate the hidden wisdom within books and to explore the depths of their own narratives, fostering a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.